You want Sonk the Honk? Got a juice?
Hello, we are badniks. We kill you.
Oh no! I'm balling out! Yay, we are free! What?
Hello, I'm Robotonic and I'm going to build a theme park.
That's him, Sonk. That's the guy that turned us into robots.
Now, I'm really mad.
Hey, leave my friends alone!
No, 1v1 me. Ah! You'll pay for this.
Oh, wow! A big run!
Fight a song.
Well, if it isn't my pal, Sonk. I'm surprised you made it this far. And I see you've brought me the 6th Emeraldo.
Hey!
You want it back? Come fight me in my robot factory, the Scrap Brain Zone.
Hey, Robotonic!
No way! I can't believe this! Ah! Get a load of this!
Robotonic!
Well. If it isn't Sonk, it's time we put an end to this revelry. Now, get a load of this! Ah! Oh no! My power is going... Sonk.
I did it, I saved South Island!